Hey everyone, welcome back. I just wanted to jump on and kind of do a follow-up video. I've had a few questions about the stuff on TEMU and the TEMU video, so that's why this is the TEMU 2. So I did get a few more. I actually placed these orders at the same time. I got pretty much half of my order. Most of it came in on that first video, and then probably about a week and a half later, I guess, the rest of it came in. So I wanted to do a kind of a follow-up just so I could show you the rest of the stuff as well. So we're going to get into that, kind of give you just an overview of what I got and what kind of quality is, kind of like I did on the last video. If you didn't see that, I'll leave a link on one of these corners up here to that other video. It's done pretty well and helped quite a few people out, and some people I didn't even realize had never even heard of TEMU. So anyway, so let's jump right into it and get this stuff unboxed. Okay, let's get into this. The first thing I got here is these feeler gauges. I paid $3.59, and on Amazon I found them for $14.99, basically the same thing. So came in this nice little flimsy package here. They actually seem to be pretty good. Just your various sizes. Everything looks pretty good with them. We're gonna go ahead and grab our calipers here and just see how close they are. But they seem to be just your basic feeler gauge set. I expect them to be fairly accurate. I mean, truth be told, if you're a woodworker, how accurate do you really need to be? And I guess some things, yes, but most things we do, or at least I do anyway. I'm not going down to the 10,000ths or thousandths of an inch. It's okay. It's wood. So here I'm just going to test a couple of these so you can kind of get an idea of what these are supposed to be and how close they are. This one in here was supposed to be, I believe, 0.30. So it was just a little bit off, but I'm sorry, that one was 0.35. So it was just barely off. So we're going to try another one here and see how close we can get with it. All right, looks like this one is the 0.30. I just had those backwards. So barely off on the last one. Should be 0.30, and we are 0.29. So pretty close. I mean, I'm not disappointed. Matter of fact, I think I may keep these. So I'm going to say, yeah, this was worth $3. Whatever I said, $3.59. Definitely think it was worth it. Okay, so the next thing we got is this just a little regular square, a right angle square, $5.48 on TEMU. It is just one of them. I found them on Amazon for $28.99, but you did get all four sizes. So either way, you're still saving around $7.50, $8 if you wanted to do it this way. But looks pretty good. Decent material. I mean, looks pretty sturdy. It's 80 by 50 millimeter. If you're not in that platform, I mean, if that matters to you, I'm going to use it against my my square here from, this actually came from Tay Tools. I'll leave a link in the description for it. Super great company, small company, wonderful people. But you can see here, this thing's actually accurate if I can get it down on the camera where you can see. But yeah, it's actually 90 degrees. So I'd say this is probably a pretty good find for the price. I am going to send this one out. So if you're interested in this one, just shoot me an email and I'll send it to somebody. All right, so the next thing on our list is going to be this kind of like a T corner square. I found this on TEMU, and it was about $7.28. And then I found the exact same one, markings and everything, on Amazon. Cut off the price, but it was $17.99. So definitely a pretty significant savings there. Of course, it is in millimeters, so if you're not on that platform or you don't care anything about it, then you might not like it. But I'm just going to check it here. Nice. It's got all the little holes so you can stick your pencil in and make your lines, your little layout lines and stuff. So again, it is only 50 millimeters, so not huge, but for little small projects, I'm sure it will be just fine. Again, I'm going to use my Tay Tools square here, and sure enough, this one actually good material. It looks like it's pretty accurate, so I would say definitely a good find. I'm not going to keep this one. I am going to send this one out, so I'm going to send it to you if you want it. Okay, the next thing we got here I was actually super excited about. It's these oscillating tool blades. I use these a ton cutting my tabs. I found them for $3.49 for 50. Went to Amazon and they're $22.99 for 50 of them, and they look to be exactly the same thing. I actually use these a ton using my CNC when I leave tabs. I use these to cut my tabs off, so I will get a ton of use out of these. I am going to send some of these out, so if you're interested in these, just, again, shoot me an email, and I'm going to send a few of them out, but I am going to keep several of them for myself. But appears to be pretty good metal. You know, I don't see anything wrong with them. I haven't, cut with them yet or anything, but for about 6 or 7 cents a piece, definitely a good find. You're not going to do better than that, so definitely I would order these. So the next thing up is this handheld drill guide or dowel jig. I was super hopeful about this because it was $5.48 on TEMU. Did find it on Amazon, just a different color, and it was $10.97, I believe. Super disappointed because when I got it out of the box, as you can see here, there was really no way to attach the fence to it. It wouldn't fit. So I'm not sure what the deal with that is. By all means, if somebody wants this and you think you know a way to fix it and you'd like to use it, send me an email. I'll be glad to ship it to you. Otherwise, it's going to go in the garbage because it's just, that kind of is garbage. I guess you could probably still utilize the center finder, on the other side. So I don't know, maybe somebody can get some use out of it. I actually have the Milescraft one, so I don't need this, but hey, if you want it, just let me know. Be happy to send it to you. But definitely would not recommend you purchasing this one, at least the one from TEMU anyway. All right, so the next thing we got is something I was hopeful for, actually kind of needed, is this kind of a stainless steel T-square angle finder. So this one on TEMU was $8.98. It did come with the little wall holder there. I did find one similar on Amazon for $12.50-something. Pretty close in price. Of course, I don't know the quality of the one on Amazon, so but they do look suspiciously identical. It is kind of cool that it has a little wall hanger, though. So what I can tell you is marked a few lines and measured them with an actual digital gauge finder, and at 90 degrees, it's pretty dead on. At 45 degrees, it's fairly close, but any other angle other than those two, it's out a pretty significant amount, enough to where I would say I would not recommend buying this. I am going to send this out if somebody is interested in one. Again, at 45 and 90, it's pretty accurate. Okay, well, that was pretty short and sweet. I hope it helped you out, give you some information, some stuff you can actually buy on TEMU that's pretty decent. I did forget one thing, and it's actually because I was using it and I forgot to include it, but this, if you're stuck around this long, this little center finder for a circle, it's got a little paint can here. This thing actually works really, really well with anything that'll fit within here as far as marking the center of a circle. So sorry, but I'm going to keep this one. I like this one. So most of the stuff that you saw in the video, I am going to be giving away. So shoot me an email. I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll send you something if I run out. Again, like last time, I'll send you some stickers or something if everything's already given away. So I really appreciate it. Don't forget, if you stuck around this far, we've got a giveaway coming up this Saturday for a charcuterie board. I'll link that video here where you can enter that if you'd like to. And also, we're getting close to 500 subscribers, depending on when you're watching this video. And we're going to give away that Festool ETS 125 sander, as well as the Carbon Methods Carbon Coat Small Kit. So, super excited about that. So, stick around. Catch you later.